Good morning everyone, my name is Nur Akmal Fakira binti Muhammad Faizal and I'm from SK Sri Songsang Temerloh. Today, I will be talking about how science makes our lives easier every day. Firstly, science helps us to communicate. For example, we use smartphones and computers to talk to our friends and family every day, even when they are far away. Without science, this thing will not exist. Secondly, science helps us stay healthy. Doctors use science to discover new medicines and treatments. Vaccines and medicines keep us safe from diseases and help us live longer lives. Lastly, science is important in transportation. Cars, buses, and planes are all inventions of science. Thanks to this, we all can travel long distances quickly and safely. In conclusion, science helps us communicate, stay healthy, and travel. It makes our lives easier in so many ways. Thank you.